Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. A quick one guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys the easy ways you can use orange at home to get rid of dark spots, to brighten your dark spot, to brighten your skin. Orange contains vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to brighten the skin. Vitamin C helps to boost the skin radiance, which is what orange will be doing for you. But the difference is that in today's video we are going to be doing it naturally at home, okay, without any chemical, without any any form of nyama nyama to help hasten it. We will be doing it raw at home, okay guys? That's what we are going to be doing in today's video guys. So please, if today is your first time of stopping by, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and join the family, and thank you as you do that. So guys, without much talk, let's get right into it. That's it. The first thing you have to do is to get the orange, wash it. After washing it guys, it's so simple. This method is very simple. Just go ahead and cut the orange. This is the first method. So it's super simple guys. Go ahead and cut the orange. After cutting the orange, you take the orange and rub the juice of the orange on your face. Before doing this, make sure your face is washed. Rub the juice on your face. This is the first method, and this method will help to clear acne. It will help to brighten your skin. Do this in the morning, at night. After doing this, just let it sit on your face for 30 to 45 minutes, then you go ahead and wash your face. Then the second method is get a plate, get one of the orange that you cut, go ahead and scrape off the skin of it. Did you see? So this is what I need. You go ahead, add it into it, squeeze some amount of orange juice into it, and you mix it. So this is it. After mixing it, the first thing you have to do is to go ahead and get cotton wool, dip it into the cotton wool. This is it. And use it to clean your face. This is super effective guys. This is super effective. So after cleaning your face with it, you just have to wait for 30 to 45 minutes, then you wash it out with warm water. Wash it out with warm water and apply your face cream. Trying this every day will help your face to be smooth. It will help to get rid of dark spots. It will help to brighten your face. You will begin to see you will begin to see your skin glowing. Orange has a lot of skin benefit. Orange is very beneficial to the skin. So these two ways are the simple ways you can use orange at home to achieve a brighter skin, to get rid of dark spots, okay? And this works guys. If you cannot afford vitamin C, if you cannot afford buying vitamin C serum, this is the easiest way you can use to get your own vitamin C and apply it on your body, apply it on your face, and it will help to remove dark spots. It will help to brighten your skin and all that. So guys, that is it. This is basically the easiest way you can use orange at home to get a brighter skin, to get rid of dark spots, okay? Try this morning and evening guys. This is not harsh, this is mild on the skin, so you can try it in the morning and in the night every day. Just apply it on your skin and leave it there to do its work. After 30 to 45 minutes, just wash your face and apply face moisturizer, and that's it guys. So that is it guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye. For the remaining one, you can discard it or you can put in the fridge. Like if you prepare it in the morning and the remaining one you can leave in the fridge and use it again in the night. After the night, you throw it away. Okay, so that is it, guys. This is how you can use orange to get a brighter skin and treat dark spots at home. Okay, guys, I hope this video is helpful. If it does, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.